Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change audio output on Samsung phone step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. This is where you'll find various shortcuts to control your device quickly. Step 2. In the Quick Settings menu, look for two options: Device Control and Media Output. These options help you manage connected devices and audio settings. Step 3. Now tap on the Media Output option. This will open the Audio Settings menu where you can see the current audio output. Right now, the audio is playing through the phone's built-in speaker. Step 4. If you want to switch the audio output to another device, such as a Bluetooth speaker or wireless earbuds, make sure the device is already connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Once connected, simply select the Bluetooth device from the list and your audio will start playing through it. Enjoy your music or videos wirelessly. Step 5. If you decide to switch back to your phone speaker, simply select the This Phone option from the same menu. Once selected, the audio will play through your device's speaker again, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.